Hey friends, this is Jen Allan from the Well Studio, and this little video is going to be all about taking care of some of the upper body and the upper trapezius where we carry a lot of our tension. Maybe you've been doing a lot of push-ups lately or a chest press. I want to start with the pec minor and pec major. So once again, get a massage ball, either a small one or you can use the orb. And what you're going to do, so go ahead and take the massage ball in your left hand. Extend your right arm out, and what you're going to do is you're going to plant it right here at the insertion point where our pec minor joins in the anterior deltoid. And what I want you to do is take the palm of your hand on top of that ball and start to circle it. And you're going to feel some tenderness there. And it's so good to help to relieve this tightness, because when the pecs are really tight, it pulls your shoulders forward. And so this is going to help you to alleviate that tightness. You can go a little bit bigger and get more of the pec major here. And you might be surprised how sore this is. How is that feeling? Yeah, we want to get some warmth and some blood flow into those areas to help to release. All right, so let's go ahead and switch the other side. So take the ball in the other hand. And again, just start with that small little circles in that area, right in that pec minor. And again, nice deep breaths. You want to make sure you're not holding your breath. There we go. Nice big circles on the pec major. So then if you're wanting more, I do want to show you real quickly. You can take this ball, come down to the floor, down to the mat, and you can actually lay on it. And you can circle it out this way. And that's going to go a lot deeper because you're taking your entire body weight on top of that ball. So you can go ahead and give that a try, maybe spend 2 or 3 minutes doing that. And then for your shoulders, same thing. You can take the ball in your right hand and go over to your left shoulder. And you can start by just massaging the whole medial deltoid here with your hand. Sitting up nice and tall, nice deep breaths. Okay. So if you want to go a little bit deeper and have more penetration, you can come down to the floor. You would lay down on your shoulder and then support yourself up with your other hand so that you can control how much pressure. So obviously, if I let go, that's complete all of my body weight pressure on there. Or if you take your other hand to lift yourself up, it's not quite as deep. But what we do is we circle around the delt, and that's going to help to break up a lot of the tightness, the adhesions that are found in the fascia around your medial delt. If you're like, oh my gosh, Jen, that's so excruciating, I would like for you to take it to a wall. Take it to a wall, take the ball up against the wall, and again, you can use your body weight to press in and to roll around for that shoulder. So then on the posterior side, we carry so much tension in our upper trapezius, and the upper trapezius is always wanting to overfire, especially when we're at our computer and we're typing or we're doing our cell phone stuff all the time. The traps are always overfiring. So what I would like for you to do is to take a ball, go ahead and come to the mat. Okay, and pick a side, and then just try to let your arms just fillet open and relax. And then your knees are bent. And what I would like for you to do is to use your feet to push yourself up and down, around in a circle while you are laying on top of the ball. And we're getting right into those upper trapezius. And then you can also climb up a little bit higher to get the scalenes in the neck, but you'd want to be careful with that. We don't need to overstimulate or over massage those muscles in our neck. We want to be careful, but certainly by getting the upper trapezius to help release, that will also help your neck. And so you can, just circle it around. You can get in there. You can also take your arms and give yourself a hug like this, and that will help to change the angle so you can get into a little bit more deeper penetration with the upper traps. Let's go ahead and try that on the other side. Take the ball on the other side. You can fillet those arms open and just completely let yourself melt into that ball. Nice deep breaths. You can close your eyes and just really, really help your body to calm down, getting the parasympathetic nervous system to fire. That's the parachute calming down, and let yourself just completely melt into the ball. All right, so you can give those a try. So hopefully throughout the day, if you have a lot of tension, take a break from your computer work, your desk work, and take a ball on the floor or up against the wall. Address the pecs, the shoulder, your upper trapezius, and you will feel so much better. Thank you so much.